How to order a new Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to order a new Cash App card. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the card icon that appears at the bottom section of the screen. This will then take you to this page where you will see some options that you can use for your credit card details. From those options, tap this one here named Design a New Card. After that, this page appears where you are supposed to choose the style of your card. So, go through the different card styles and choose one from the list you see here. After that, tap on it. After that, this other page will appear where you will see two important options. Tap on the first option named Customize Card to design your card. You can then go ahead and start adding some custom styles to your card, just like you can see here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, go ahead and tap here, Order Card. After that, this other page appears. On this page, you are supposed to enter the address where you want your card to be sent. Make sure you enter it correctly. After that, tap here, Next. You will then be taken to the next page where you are supposed to enter more details. Go ahead and follow the steps as they are very easy to follow them. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to order a new Cash App card.